Hey guys, Erica here, Scrap Diva 29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with more challenge entries to my giveaway that I'm hosting. This entry is from Gina Valdez, and I just took it out of the package, so I'm going to open it up with you. So this must be her card, so I'm going to open up this first. She's got some really cute washi tape on the front. Oh, look at her card, and it says lovely. She's got a really big crepe paper rosette, and she used some ribbon. Super cute. Let me just open up her card real quick. Erica, I'm so excited to enter your challenge. You have been inspiring me for a long time. I love your channel and hope to one day craft like you. I don't do YouTube, but I watch and comment, and I have an Instagram where I post a picture of my entry. Oh, okay, and her Instagram is Gina Valdez 08. Love, Gina. Oh, thank you so much, Gina. I truly appreciate you participating, and I cannot wait to see what you created. She did send me some chocolate, thank you so much, and some washi tape, which is so pretty. I think I can use this for some Easter projects. Really, really pretty. Thank you for sharing that with me. All right, so she's got her entry in this pretty tissue. So let's take it out and see what she created. Uh-oh, it's stuck. There we go. So there is her entry. I'm just gonna zoom in just a tad. So this is her mini loaded bag, which is decorated so cute. It says shake, rattle, and roll. She's got some stickers and some really pretty flowers on the bottom. And these must be her two tags, so I'm going to take these out. It says homemade treats, and she's got really pretty pom-pom trim right there. It says sweet treats, and she's got some really pretty flat back pearls on the bottom. Really, really cute tag. Love it. And I love that cupcake sticker. And then she has this one right here. It says made with love, and it has the ingredients and the little hearts on the bottom with some more cute trim. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much for those two baking tags. She's got a handmade straw, which is really, really cute. I made some of these a while back. They're so fun to make. Super cute embellishment. Could put that on something. And then let's look at her index card, and here it is. Look how super pretty it is. It says capture this, so she's got a camera, and then she's got all these pretty flowers on it. Really, really pretty. All right, I'm gonna flip it over really quickly and just look at the back. And I just wanna share with you, there's her name and there's her Instagram if you guys wanna check her out on Instagram. Thank you so much for participating in my challenge. I love your entry. And then it looks like she made me a mini pocket letter. Oh, so sweet. How cute is this? It's a sweet themed, and it's love. So this first pocket is a super cute cupcake, and she's got really pretty bling on the sides. And look at the cute washi tape over here. It says hugs and kisses, and she's got a BFF. And then on this one it says fabulous. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you for creating a pocket letter for me. Oh, and she even included some little goodies, some stickers, some hearts, and let's see, something else in these pockets. Probably something I can use on a project. Oh, they're like little sticky notes. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Gina. I truly appreciate you participating. And I will write your entries down. All right, up next, I have, let's see, who do I have next? I'm going to the next package. This next package is from Mida Acoasta. And I apologize if I'm saying that incorrectly, your first and last name. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up this one and see what she sent. This is her card, so I'm gonna open up the card first. And she's got a long letter, so I'm gonna read that off camera, but let me share with you her card. And she has a beautiful handmade card, and it says friends. Look at the cute little bird. And she's got even like a little chain right here. How cute is that? Super cute. Let me just open it up really quick. It says, just a note, thank you for your friendship. Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you so much. Handmade by Mida. I believe that's how you say your name. I'm so sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly, but it's a really pretty card. And so this is her entry, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. if I can get it out. Let me see. I'm sorry for the crinkling, you guys. All right, so here's her loaded mini bag. Really, really pretty. Look at the front. It says love, and she's got these really pretty die cuts on the front, or a border punch. Really pretty. And let's look at her tags. So these are her 2 baking tags, and aren't they absolutely adorable? She's got a mitten and a rolling pin. And look at the pretty dies she used, and she even used like a pretty doily punch down here, and a cute cupcake, and she's got some bling. Those are so pretty. I love that doily in the background. It's really, really pretty. And then she's got this one right here with this super cute apron. I love that. It's absolutely adorable. Thank you so much. Super, super cute. And then look how adorable her bag is. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and she layered these really pretty hearts, and she even embossed the hearts. So cute. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, that's so adorable. And then look, she has a little heart, or a little letter hanging off of this little cording, and it says love. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. That's really, really cute. And she's got an eyelet right there. What a great idea. And then she's got a really cute paper clip right there with this trim, or that tool. Adorable. So, okay, let's look at her memory dex card. Oh, it is absolutely adorable. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little hedgehog. And look at those little pretty butterflies. It says Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, thank you so much. This is so pretty. I love your entry. Okay, so I forgot to take out these little embellishments that were in her loaded bag, and I wanted to share with you what they look like. She made this adorable Cupid, and she pieced this one together. Isn't that sweet? Thank you so much. And then look at this hedgehog. Isn't he adorable? I cannot wait to use him on a project. This was also in the mini loaded bag, and I just wanted to share him because he's so super cute. He's like a bigger version of the one that she used on her memory dex card. So thank you so much for your entry. It's super cute, and I cannot wait to play with this little guy. So cute. All right, I have already taken out the packaging for my next entry, and this is from Tona Morongell. I apologize if I'm butchering your name. I am so sorry, but I have already taken this out of the pretty packaging. Thank you so much for participating, and I cannot wait to dive in. So look at her presentation. It's loaded, and it's so pretty and colorful. So I'm going to take out her tags, which look like they're in the front. Oh, and look, she's got a really cute paper clip made out of one of those foam hearts. How cute is that? And her little bow, super cute. So these are her baking tags, and I'm sorry that's stuck. I'm just gonna move that off to the side. So here is the first baking tag, and it says You're Sweet, and she has these adorable cupcakes with sprinkles on them. Oh my goodness, and it says a sweet celebration, and she's got some bling down here with a pretty ribbon and this fun trim. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you so much. That's a beautiful tag. And then here is her second tag right here. And she's used some stamped images, and she's got the flour and butter. And oh, look at the bowl of strawberries. Now, isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness, love that. That's super cute. And she's got a pretty bow and some more of that fun trim. Oh, that's a beautiful tag. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use those. And then she made me a wand. Yay, I love these wands, and I will add this to my wand collection. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. And then here is her mini loaded bag, and she's got a really pretty rosette with a heart, and it says hugs. And then she's got this really cute banner die with little hearts in between it. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. And she has her address on the back, but I just wanted to share with you the paper that she used. Really pretty. All right, so let me take out everything that's in here. So she's made this adorable paper clip. It's like a donut. Super sweet. And then she's got, oh, some chocolate. Yum. I love Ghirardelli chocolate. Thank you so much. And I'm going to, oh, here's her memory dex card. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? It says hello, and then she's got the cute little piggy and some flowers and a cute little little flowering pot with some bling, and it looks like she used some stamped images. Oh, I love it. And she's got a pretty bow right there. That is absolutely adorable. Let me see. Okay, I don't want to share all of her information on the back. Her YouTube channel is Tona Morongell. I apologize. I know I'm not saying your name incorrect. And then her Instagram is on there as well, and her email address. And I'll leave her information in the description box below so you guys can find her. But this is absolutely so sweet. Thank you so much. I love your memory decks card. All right, I'm gonna stick this in that pocket, and she has some other little goodies in here. Oh, she made me one of these hearts. Oh, thank you. That's so cute. I love it. Oh, thank you so much. Those are so much fun to make. And what else does she have in here? Oh my gosh, she has a lot of goodies, and oh my goodness, some more chocolate, yum. But look, let's check out her picture, you guys. She included a picture, and there she is. Hi, Tanya. I hope I'm saying your name right. I know, probably not, but thank you so much. You're so pretty. Thank you. And she's got some little goodies in here, you guys. I'm trying to get them out. She sent me a chapstick. Thank you so much. I can always use that. That is so sweet. And then she actually included these really cute stickers. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, love those. I don't have anything like that in my stash, so thank you. And then I want to share with you this dangle that she has on her side of her bag. Look how cute that is. Isn't that pretty? And I could take this off and use it on something else if I want to. But I love the beads that you used, and then look at that right there. And then she's got all this fun shred on the bottom. Isn't that an adorable tassel, you guys? I love that. I wonder how you did that. I'll have to check out your channel and see how you did that. Thank you so much for participating. This was a lovely entry. Yay! All right, you guys, I will be back with some more entries. Thanks for watching. Thank you for participating, ladies, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.